Biosculpture threading gels are available in black and white and may be applied directly from the jar onto the nail. Use a dotting tool to apply straight lines, swirls, or wraps. Threading ideas are endless. Cure the threads, then finish with gloss. By placing the threading gel on a warm surface will keep it less tacky and easier to work with. When there is a possibility that the threading gel will touch the skin, we suggest that you apply cuticle cream to the surrounding skin for easy removal after the application and gloss gel have been cured. Use polish remover to clean the jar before closing. Threading is very effective on an ombre background. Apply the ombre effect onto a cured and wiped base or color gel. Apply 2 contrasting colors in vertical lines. Do not cure. Draw a clean number 6 round brush down the center to blend the 2 colors. Cure and repeat, taking special care of the cuticle line during the second application. Cure for 30 seconds. Use the nail art brush to pull and draw diamond shapes, threading directly from the jar. Lay down the strands to create the design. To finish the design with glitter, apply glitter to the metal plate and use the nail art brush to scoop up and glide the glitter into place to create density. Cure and seal with gloss top coat for a smooth finish. For a textured finish, use screed on a dotting tool to apply dots after you have sealed the threaded lines with gloss. Screed is not as stringy as threading gel, therefore it is more ideal to use when creating dots. Both glitter and screed may be applied on top of wiped gloss to create a textured finish. Cure for 1 minute and wipe. For a textured finish, it is not necessary to apply gloss.